Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have another Gypsy, green color Gypsy and Karnataka registered Gypsy for sale in Bangalore, and this is a 2014 model. You can just have an overview of this vehicle. Basically this is a Karnataka registered vehicle, first owner vehicle, and RC is valid for 15 years. So right now this is for sale in Bangalore, and you can just check out the body line, how beautiful it is. Very neatly maintained by the owner, and the front look of the vehicle is totally a stock, and there is no modification in this. Basically you can just have a look at the body line, very well maintained, and the hood is also very neat, bonnet hood, and you can just check out the rims have been painted for black. This is MG413 badging, Euro 3, 4x4 petrol, 5+1 gearbox, and the tires are running on Goodyear 235/75/15. All four tires are brand new one. So you can just check out the tire pattern and the life. It's a brand new one. 235/75/15 has been installed on this vehicle. And when coming to this soft top, the soft top is totally an original soft top. There is no modification in the soft top, and the vehicle is running in original paint. You can just check out the logos of the Ex Army which has been installed on this. So basically this is a Euro 3 Gypsy and Karnataka registered, very neatly maintained, well maintained vehicle at the moment. It's very neatly maintained, 4x4 petrol. So you can just check out the side view of the vehicle. All four tires are brand new Goodyear tires in this, and totally an original paint vehicle. There's no modification in this, just added few accelerator lights, that's the LED lights, and also we have hella LED lights installed in this, and there is also an extra lights added from the customer itself. You can just check. Very well maintained vehicle. When coming to the interiors of the vehicle, the interior is very beautiful enough, well maintained, and this brand new seat covers have been added. The seats are totally well maintained with a brand new seat covers, and the hood is also very neat. And you can just check out the long seats which has been installed in this, completely very neatly maintained with a brand new seat covers. And when coming to the engine bay, you can just check out the engine bay, how neat it is, perfectly in running condition vehicle. This is a Euro 3 one, perfect. There is all mechanically perfect with all MGP parts in this, and the battery is also brand new battery which has been installed in this. So I'm going to start the vehicle and just show you the sound of the vehicle, how beautiful and how neat it is. So you can just check out the engine sound. It's very mild sound, perfect. Right now the vehicle is in idling condition, so you can just check out the sound of the vehicle, totally in a perfect condition. So you can just check out the extra lights which has been added from the customer. So you can just check out now the colors have been changed, all white color LED lights which has been installed for a better performance in the road. Lighting is required in Gypsy. So this is completely done up vehicle, ready for sale in Bangalore. So anybody who is really interested to have a look at this vehicle, you can just contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore, and the price which we are quoting is 5 lakhs, readily available with a 15 years RC and single owner vehicle, and RC is valid up to 31. Single owner vehicle which is readily available. Please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos from our channel, and our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. Thank you for subscribing and have a great day.